Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine and good. As you know, today the topic of my video is biology and its branches. So let's start it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we will define science. Science is a study in which observations are made, experiments are done, and logical conclusions are drawn in order to understand the principle of nature. Now we will discuss the four major branches of science. Number 1, biology. Number 2, physics. Number 3, chemistry. And number 4, mathematics. Now we will define biology. Biology is the branch of science. Biology is the scientific study of life. Biology is derived from the two Greek words bios and logos. Bios mean life and logos mean thought or reasoning. Now we will discuss the three major branches divisions of biology. Number 1, zoology. Number 2, botany. Number 3, microbiology. Now we will define each. Zoology. This division of biology deals with the study of animals. Botany. This division of biology deals with the study of plants. Microbiology. This division of biology deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, algae, etc. Now we will discuss the remaining other branches of biology. Number 1, anatomy. Number 2, histology. Number 3, genetics. Number 4, cell biology. Number 5, physiology. And number 6, entomology. Anatomy. The study of internal structure is called as anatomy. Histology. The microscopic study of tissue is called as histology. Genetics. The study of genes and their roles in inheritance is called as genetic. Inheritance means the transmission of character from one generation to other. Cell biology. The study of structures and function of cell and cell organelles is called as cell biology. This branch also deals with the study of cell division. Physiology. This branch deals with the study of functions of different parts of living organisms. Anatomy. It is a study of insects. Bye viewers, do comment, subscribe and like my video. Thank you.